Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss active and passive voice. So, up to now we have discussed about rules and regulations working behind active voice and passive voice and how to change active voice into passive voice or passive voice into active voice on the basis of tenses. Now we are going to discuss the types of voice. So first type is prepositional verb. What is this prepositional verb type of voice? To clear it, to make it clear, let us see some types of examples. My first sentence is I am waiting for you. Second sentence, the mother looks after her child. Third, people listen to him with respect. Fourth, why are you shouting at me? In the first sentence, we can see the verb we are using here, waiting, but it is taking with it preposition for. In the second sentence, the verb looks is taking after preposition with it. Third, in the third sentence, the verb listen comes with preposition to. In the fourth sentence, the verb shouting is visible with preposition at. So we can conclude from above the four sentences that the all the verbs in the four sentences are taking some kind of preposition with them. So a verb that takes with it a preposition to clarify its meaning, or all verbs are called prepositional verbs. So here are many kinds of prepositional verbs. Now let us see how to change those voices in which sentences the prepositional verb comes. Let us see how to change those active voice and passive voice. Now let us discuss some types of prepositional verb, active and passive voice. So first sentence is the principal turned down my request. The principal turned down my request. The second sentence is were you laughing at the beggar? Were laughing at the beggar. Next, third sentence is you have not switched off the lights. You have not switched off the lights. Let us see how to change these above four sentences. These all four sentences contained verbs that have some preposition. So this type is prepositional verb. Let us see how to change these sentences. The first sentence is the principal turned down my request. The principal turned down my request. So here my object is my request. So the passive voice will start with my request. Turned down is second form of the verb. It will change into was turned down by or subject the principal. So the right answer is my request was turned down by the principal. So while changing a sentence that can a preposition verb, keep it into your mind. The verb will remain always with the preposition. Turned down will remain in the passive voice also, turned down. So now look at the second sentence. The second sentence is were you laughing at the beggar? Were you laughing at the beggar? So let us now change it. Here our object is the beggar. The sentence is in interrogative form. So we will start with the helping verb was. Was the beggar. Laughing will change into being plus third form of the verb laughed. Was the beggar being laughed at by you? So the right answer is, was the beggar being laughed at by you? Now look at the third sentence. You have not switched off the lights. The right answer for this active voice is, so the right answer is, the lights have not been switched off by you. Have not and third form will change into have not been plus third form of the verb. Next fourth sentence is, I am waiting for them. The right answer for this sentence is, they are being waited for by me. Am plus first form plus ing will change into are plus being plus third form of the verb. They are being waited for by me. You have seen in this way we can change the active voice and passive voice of the sentences which comes with the prepositional verb. Now I am giving you some sentences for practice. Try to solve all the sentences. So the first sentence is, they laid out a small garden. Second, I cannot think of such a thing. Third, a car had knocked down the child. Fourth, I have sent for the doctor. Fifth, has she asked for a new servant? Sixth, did the people cheer him up? Seventh, you have idled away your time. 8. Why were you laughing at me? 9. The thief cut down the telephone wires. 10th. You must take care of your health. So try to solve all these sentences. Till then, thank you very much.